let's fix that dual monitor flickering on your device. The first thing you're gonna do right now is make sure the cables are plugged in properly. Step number 2, those cables right there, try and replacing them with your newer model. Maybe those are gonna be outdated and they are malfunctioning internally. Now step number 3 for that one, right click on your desktop basically, click on display settings. Now make sure you're gonna be on display, right? So you should see another monitor here looking like this. Under display, select each one of them. Start with the first one, and then once you're going to be in the first one, make sure everything here, scale and layout, would be all in recommendation. Because there's going to be a lot of recommendation there, a lot of resolution. Make sure that each monitor are toggled for the recommended scale and size. Also, advanced settings right here, selecting the display 1, display 2, try lowering it down to 60. Alright? So don't go higher than 60 if you don't have a gaming monitor, and check if that works for you.